Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Minecraft PC. Let's get started. First is to sign in your Microsoft account in order for you to play Minecraft. Then next, click the play button to open the game. Now on the screen, you can see here different options. Just click the Friends button. In here, click the Add Friend. Next, enter the gamer tag of the friend that you want to add. After that, click the Add Friend button. Now simply wait for them to accept your friend request. When they have accepted your friend request, then you can now invite them to your game or just join their game and play together. Another method for you to add friends is when you're inside the game. Click the ESC button on your keyboard. Then click the Invite to Game button on the screen. Then click the Add Friend button and enter the gamer tag of the player that you want to add. And that's simply it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.